नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ कैफिन टेक के बारे में। और कैफिन टेक शेयर्स gain 5% as Xavier sees 34% upside after Q3 result. Xavier has a buy rating on the Caffeine Tech with a target price of 1,033 and 300 per share. It said the company third quarter earnings before interest tax, depreciation and amortization EBITDA was 7% above the analysis estimated, led by better performance in the international and user solution business. Gained over 5% on Monday, February 16 as the brokerage firm Jefferies indicated 34% upside on the stock post it is third quarter earning, and Jefferies has buy rating on Caffeine Tech with a target price of 1,300 per share. It said the company third quarter earning before interest tax, depreciation and the amortization EBITDA was 7% above the analysis estimate, led by a better performance. kfintech reported an EBITDA of 151.7 crore, up 12% from the previous year, 135.7 crore. It is profit after tax paid and adjusting for a one-time labor code impact 8.6 crore was 11% ahead, January said. kfintech is a solution business, witnesses sharp 6 base points improvement in EBIT margin, the broker said. The mutual fund registered and transfer as an RTA yearly contract by 2% sequentially due to higher share ETFs overall assets under management. AUM, the analyst says. Essence revenue increases by 227% from the previous year, and overearnings a target MNC bank has climbed, the brokerage added. Shares of Caffeine Technologies Ltd were trading 5.1% up the 1070 a pace around 10.55 am on Monday. The stock has gained 23% in the past year. और आज हम लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा है जो कैफिन टेक के बारे में। कैफिन टेक शेयर गेन 5% as Xavier shares 634 upside of Q3 result, and Jefferies has buy rating on the Caffeine Tech with a target price of 1,300. It said the company's third quarter earning before interest tax, depreciation and the amortization